Meet Levy and Spacedog. Levy is lucky. Not everyone gets to fly into space with Spacedog. But Levy did. And that's where we find them. They just had fun exploring Mars.
Where are we going next?
Asked Levy.
How about Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and closest to the sun?
Answered Spacedog.
Destination Mercury!
Announced Levy excitedly.
Closest to the sun.
Repeated Levy.
It must be hot.
It gets very hot during the day,
Said Spacedog.
almost as hot as fire. But at night, it gets terribly cold, way below freezing.
How can it be so hot and then get so cold?
Asked Levy.
Days and nights on Mercury are very, very long.
Said Spacedog.
That's why it has time to heat up or cool down.
Is it safe for us to land on Mercury now?
Levy asked.
Don't worry. We'll land where it is early morning and not too hot.
Answered Spacedog.
Fasten your seatbelt. We're going in for a landing.
I wish I had an ice cream now.
Said Levy as he stepped out of the ship.
It's really hot on Mercury, even early in the morning. The surface of Mercury is rocky and hard.
Noticed Levy.
Yes, and very dry.
Replied Spacedog.
Hey, look at this crater.
Yelled Levy.
It's huge.
Yes, this is Caloris Basin, the biggest crater on Mercury.
Said Spacedog. Even in his spacesuit, Levy soon felt hot.
I think we should go back to the spaceship.
He said to Spacedog.
I need water.
Both headed back to the spaceship.
Look, the sun is up. Phew, we came back just in time, huh?
Asked Spacedog.
Yes,
Said Levy, between big gulps of water.
let's leave this place before we burn up.
Then he picked up his pencil to write down the interesting facts he had learned about Mercury.